Jimmy. Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-Wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits.
That TTG money gang, we some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Guys, my name is Michael Edward Parinati, and I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. In case you didn't know, last year we were a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool, and we're currently the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university-level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We day trade, we swing trade, we also do long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody here at True Trading Group. Now, when you join TTG, you get immediate annual access to around $15,000 worth of education tools and resources that have already helped thousands of members to reach their goals. No matter how much money they're starting with, no matter how much time they have, no matter what their experience level is. When you join TTG, you also get a double your money back guarantee, which I can talk to you guys a little bit later on during this stream. But you get everything that is included with us. It's an all-inclusive membership. Our university level curriculum, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of the training that I received working at a fund in New York. There are beginner courses and advanced courses. There's a stock market foundations course, chart patterns, indicators, short selling, swing trading, advanced options, regular options, how to trade during a market crash, futures, crypto. There's even a course that teaches you how to do your taxes. And then my personal favorite, the trader psychology courses, which if you asked probably any of our TTG members, they'll probably tell you the same, that those are their favorites. Trading is 80% mental. If you're not going to talk about the psychological aspect of trading, then you're not really talking about trading at all. You guys get access to all of this when you join the community. There's no additional cost or upsell for those courses. They are included. Then you also get all the moderators. It's not just me, 8 other professional full-time trading mods do this for a living. We share our screens with you. We talk to you on the microphone, provide real-time analysis and also the real-time trade alerts when our orders executed. We enter and exit positions. We swing trade. We day trade. There's options trading, futures trading, scalping, core trading, and long-term investing. So you're going to get all those different types of styles and alerts from myself and the other professional trading mods that are here at True Trading Group. But TTG is not just a chat room. It's not just about trade alerts. There's a reason we were a finalist for the best data analysis tool. And that is because we put all of the industry's top trading and investing tools on our platform, including your membership for our members. This is TradingView's premium charting software, Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, a simulator to help you practice trading with fake money, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, congressional trading data, insider trading data. All of this stuff is included when you join the community. There's no additional upsell or cost for these things. You're going to get to use real-time custom scanners, of course, our AI trading assistant, and then the supportive community. 10,000 members in 115 different countries. If English is not your first language, don't worry about it. We have a real-time translation software on our platform that allows for seamless communication amongst members and mods. You're going to get access to 1,000 hours worth of our video library with a bunch of different topics covering different trading topics. And then all of this with the utmost transparency from us. The moderators and I submit our trading records from our brokerage accounts right onto the website each and every single day so that you see all of the trades that we've executed. The mods and I have collectively as a group been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% on all of those executions for now going on roughly the last 4 to 5 years. We're 4.7 out of 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,500 reviews with a 78% member retention rate and a less than 2.5% refund rate. Now, I mentioned to you guys that W money back guarantee earlier during the stream. The way it works is if you join our platform, you go through our courses, you pass our quizzes, you attend the study group. If you are still unable to make enough winning trades to equal your membership fee, we don't just give you your membership fee back. We give you back double. Rightfully so, because that means that we wasted your time. Right? That means that we would have wasted your time. So if you're wondering why I should really listen to any of the stuff that I say on this channel, it's not because I think I'm the world's greatest trader. It's not because I have a 100% win rate. It's simply because I didn't figure this stuff out by watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City. It's my first job out of college, where they had me go through a training program before they let me touch $1 of the fund's money. Then 2008 happened. It was the big recession, the stock market crashed, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, along with my team of the 8 other professional trading mods and over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here on this channel, where myself, other mods, and sometimes even some special guests will come on here, drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, and trade ideas that can help you guys all become better traders. So welcome. Welcome to the live stream. What a day it was. A massive gap up in the overall markets on the back of CPI data. CPI data came out today, and I have Broadcom up on my screen right now just because we were waiting for Broadcom's earnings to come out and for Broadcom's earnings to hit the stage here. But I'll switch things over and I'll pull up my charts for you guys. And we'll pull up the chart of the SPY. So today was all about CPI and Fed. CPI and Fed, that's what today was all about. The CPI numbers came out earlier this morning, lighter than expected, and the markets gapped up to all-time highs. Microsoft, new all-time high. Apple, new all-time high. The list goes on of stocks that made new all-time highs today. NVIDIA going back up, okay? NVIDIA is going back up for you guys to be able to, going back up to its all-time high. So this was a very strong extension day in the overall markets. And I think that, by the time the Fed meeting came around, I feel like the markets were just up so much already that there really wasn't an opportunity for the markets to give you an extension, to give you follow through, because we were already up over 1% going into that Fed meeting. And I just think that I think that the CPI data that came out today in the pre-market session at 8:30 was a number that nobody necessarily was anticipating. it was lighter across the board in all four categories. CPI has four metrics. You have the year-over-year headline number, the month-over-month headline number, you have the year-over-year core number, and the month-over-month core number. All four of those data points came in 0.1 of a percentage point lower than what was expected. Now, that's a welcoming print, considering that we had a hotter than expected read January, February, March. April's number was lighter than expected. That's why the markets made new all-time highs. Okay, the markets made new all-time highs there on May 15th, when you had the last time you had your CPI data, and that was lighter than expected for the month of April. And then today, another new all-time high as you get lighter than expected CPI data for the month of May. So it's a very well welcomed CPI number. And that gapped the markets up big. And then we got this beautiful extension here early as the markets extend into those all-time highs. And tech really kind of led the way again. And a lot of your interest rate sensitive stocks led the way again because of the belief that rate cuts are coming. But then today was the Fed meeting. And there's a very big change made from Jerome Powell and the Fed. And that big change was the last time we had our Fed meeting, they told us that they all expect 3 rate cuts this year. Now, they only expect 1. They only expect 1. Okay? It only expects 1 rate cut. That's a big change. They didn't go from expecting 3 cuts to 2. They went from expecting 3 cuts to 1. Okay. And, we also, I talked to you guys earlier about our AI trading assistant, that it's Mari. And based on all of our, based on all of our analysis, and our AI trading assistant tells us that this is prior to the Jerome Powell press conference. This is prior to the press conference where Mari said that there's only a 20% likelihood that it feels that we're going to get a rate cut in, that they're going to get a rate cut in September. Okay. So Mari was able to pick up on that prior to the press conference. All right. So I was able to pick up on that prior to the press conference. So shout out there to everyone that's been using our AI trading assistant, our AI trading tool, Mari. And there's Broadcom. Broadcom, there. Whoa. Broadcom. Hello. $100 pop to the upside. And this is what we were waiting for here today, guys. We're waiting for Broadcom's earnings. Again, just that oh man, guys, yes. We have this in the long-term portfolio back from 2022 at around $500 a share. So big shout out to all of my TTG fam in the long-term portfolio with Broadcom, as you're now printing $1,630 a share. Woo! Let's go. All right, so here's the earnings coming out here, guys, on Broadcom. We've got a beat on earnings per share, $10.96 versus $10.84. And sales are also a beat, $12.487 billion versus $12.028 billion. And they're seeing full year 24 revenue of $51 billion against analyst expectations of $50.4. Oh, no, that's the same. That's a repeat. Yeah, so that is a beat. That's a beat and raise on their guidance. So they're raising their revenue guidance to $51 billion. Analysts had them at $50.4 billion. And Broadcom, big gap up here, guys, as we are now taking out the all-time high. We were at all-time highs going into this earnings report, and then now you gapped it up as we are now trying to move this so I can see. We're now up 10% on the day, 10.5% right now, as we are taking this thing out. Now 1630. Look at that. Huge move. Huge move there in Broadcom. So yeah, this is a stock that we stashed in the long-term portfolio back in 2022, along with a lot of our other semiconductor, along with the other semiconductors that we were, scooping up back in 2022 was a great, obviously, hindsight's 2020 now, right? But it was a great buying opportunity. Okay. It was a great buying opportunity there. And I don't remember the exact price. I think I bought this in like the mid 500s. I think it was like 550s, maybe 550s or 560s. Is the price point that we stepped in there, and we're snatching up this Broadcom, and now it's trading at $1,600. Okay, $1,600. So I'll show you guys actually. Okay, I was talking before about our AI trading assistant, Mari, giving us kind of a breakdown and a rundown. This is one of the things that we use it for. So let me just actually pull this up for you guys. Let's do this. Let me open up a new window so I can share it for you guys. I want to show you. Let me just open up a new window for you guys. All right. So here is the report. This is a comprehensive report that our AI tool was able to put together for us when we had the announcement today for the Fed meeting. Now, this is something that's available to everybody. It's available to members and non-members. We're posting a link up in chat. So if you guys want to click on the link in chat, you guys can also get this report as well that was constructed from our AI tool. And it just gives you a really nice summary, an analysis report summary on the Fed and all the CPI numbers for this year. It's not just about just this one that we got, but it factors in all of them. So you got the Fed announcements from January, March, May, and then June, the most recent one. And it just breaks it down and highlights it into individual points, so you have an idea of exactly what the Fed is saying. So you can see you've got continued solid expansion for economic activity. Job gains did remain strong. Unemployment did remain low. And it just kind of summarizes these things for you. All right. The CPI numbers, then you get all your readings here. There's your May data, your April data, your March data, your February data. It gives you all the data points for you. And then it gives you an analysis and what it found and what the reasonings are. So when you want to know, hey, is it a hawkish or dovish? Is this hawkish or dovish overall? The overall tone in recent announcements has been cautiously optimistic, but remains highly attentive to inflation risks. The consistent maintenance of the federal funds rate suggests a balanced approach, neither overly hawkish nor overly dovish. And that is true. It was Jerome Powell was kind of talking out of both sides of his mouth here today. Specific topics of hawkish or dovish: the Fed remains hawkish on inflation, emphasizing the need to turn to a 2% inflation target. However, on unemployment and economic growth, the tone is more balanced, acknowledging solid economic activity and low unemployment. It talks about impact on the stock market, and here it is, September 24 rate cut. So this is where our AI was based on all the information that we got, based on the CPI data, right? Based on everything that we had got, based on the things that the Federal Reserve has said in the past, based on a consistent emphasis on inflation control and maintaining the current rate until sustainable progress toward the 2% target. The likelihood of a rate cut in September appears low. Estimated probability of just 20%. So this is before the Jerome Powell press conference. This is the report, and these are the findings that our AI tool was giving us. Okay, this was put out at 2:17 p.m. Eastern on the TeachG platform for our members. All right, and then he gives you the percentage likelihood of inflation to continue to trend down versus trend up, and the overall economic outlook for the remainder of the year. And then here's just an explanation of each analysis item. So if you don't understand what some of these things mean inside of this table, it breaks down an explanation of each analysis item for you, gives you a conclusion. Here's the too long, didn't read, right? So if you don't want to read all that, you can just go to TLDR And then overall tone is balanced with slightly hawkishness on inflation, but balanced on employment and growth, likely stable or slightly positive for the stock market impact. And if that's not the truth, I mean, then what else is? You see what happened in the markets today. We had a nice green day today, but again, it was a more balanced, slightly positive move in the markets following that Fed meeting. And the probability of a September rate cut is very low at 20%. The CPI inflation trend is likely to trend downward with a 70% probability. And the economic outlook for the remainder of the year is cautiously optimistic while focusing on managing the inflation risks. Okay. So that is what we are seeing there. And then again, if you guys can see here, this members and non-members, you guys see that there are some notifications there for you that you can click on for some additional information. But this is a report that's available for members and non-members. We just posted this inside of the chat here on YouTube. So feel free to click on that link. All right. Feel free to click on that link and you guys can download it for yourselves. All right. So there you guys have that. And again, this is something that, we didn't have to do ourselves, right? This was just something that our AI tool was able to put together for us within just a matter of moments and was able to give us some really great information to help our members trade through the Fed day and the CPI day that we had today, which was a wild and crazy session. A huge gap up. Things got choppy there in the middle of the day, back and forth, up and down, up and down. It was some really crazy action here for us today. Broadcom, another piece of news and some insight here coming off of Broadcom. They are announcing a 10-for-1 split. That 10-for-1 split will be adjusted on July 15th. So a 10-to-1 split on Broadcom. What an unbelievable move for this stock. $1,600 now, guys. $1,600. Guys, also make sure you click the live button. We are live right now, so make sure that you click that live button down there. Make sure you click the live button. It's right next to the play button down there in the corner. You should see a red dot. You should see a red dot next to the word live. That'll let you know that you are, in fact, live with me now, and you're not watching this delayed. So make sure you do click that live button. Let's see. They see projections of full year 24 EBITDA of 61% of projected revenue. That's pretty good. Revenue from their AI products was $3.1 billion in the quarter. So Broadcom's AI products, out of their total sales, which was $12.5 billion, $3.1 billion of it comes from their AI products. Bruce, my boy Bruce, what's up? Thanks to TCG Education and Tools, made 40% on the SPY through patience, waiting to see how it reacted to the high of the day. Great job there, Bruce. I love to hear it, man. I love to hear the success stories. And you know what? Bruce isn't the only one. Bruce isn't the only success story here at True Trading Group. We've got thousands of them. You don't believe me? Watch this. Members of True Trading Group, do me a favor. Go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. If you guys are making money, you're becoming better traders because of TTG, go ahead right now and type the number 1 inside chat. Again, guys, go ahead right now and type the number 1 inside of chat. Go ahead and type the number 1 inside chat right now. If you are a member of True Trading Group and you guys are making money and you are becoming better traders because of TTG. Anyone here that's not part of the community, you should pay attention very closely to how many people you see typing the number 1, because there is absolutely no difference between these people typing the number 1 and you. They all started out exactly like you, right here on a YouTube channel, right here on a live stream with me, going over analysis, getting some trade ideas, asking questions, going over commentary and analysis. And now here they are telling you that they're making money, they're becoming better traders. And it's certainly not because they're luckier than you. It's not because they're smarter than you. It is simply because they believed in themselves and they invested in themselves. They became part of the True Trading Group community. They got access to a professional level of education similar to what I received working at a fund in New York. And they have access to the best damn trading tools that this whole entire industry has to offer. Pair that with 9 full-time trading moderators that are with you each and every day from pre-market to close, answering questions, providing commentary, and calling out all of their trades, with 10,000 members from 115 different countries that actually give a damn about each other's success. That is how these people were able to just type the number 1 and tell you, yes, I am making money and I am becoming a better trader because of True Trading Group. And what True Trading Group is. Wow. Maximus paid for my wedding yesterday, paid for my honeymoon today. Are you kidding me? Those are not small expenses. It's not like you just said, I just filled up my gas tank. Oh my God, Maximus, congratulations. That's what I'm talking about. 4-figure day for me today. My boy Gary. Gary's in the house. What's up, Gary? Come on the kick drum, Gary. Great job. 4-figure day for me today for Gary. Maximus, Gary, great job. Bruce, great job. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. How many people are on this YouTube stream right now that are not members? I'm just curious. If you're not part of TTG, can you guys do me a favor and just type the letters TTG? I want to show you guys something. I want to show you something. Seriously. Let me see who's not a member. Type TTG if you're not a member. I want to see who I got something I want to show you guys. Let's go ahead and type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Let me see. Just go ahead and type TTG. I want to show you guys something. Saif. I'd rather see percentage or port as opposed to dollar amounts. Okay, Bellin. Rohan, TTG, not a member. Saif, not a member. Excellent. Woo! Way to go, Memphis Street Doc. Made $800 today. Great job. Really great job. You see, I'll show you, Bellin, since obviously you have no idea what all of these members are, what the size of their accounts are, right? Here's what I'll do actually instead though, Bellin. So this one's for you. Members of True Trading Group. I want to prove to you, Bellin, that you don't need a lot of money to do this. You might think that this person made $5,000. They must have a $500,000 account and they made peanuts. That's not the case. You see, a lot of our members join True Trading Group with less than $1,000 in their account. And I'll just show that to you. Members, do me a favor. If you started True Trading Group, if you joined TTG and had less than $1,000 in your trading account, can you go ahead and comment in chat right now for us so we can help out Bellin? What did you start with? How much money did you start with in your trading account? So Bellin, I would just pay attention to some of the comments that are about to come through from our members to give you an idea of how much money some of these people are working with. Sure, we have some members that have very large accounts. We have some members that do have 7-figure accounts, but then we also have members that have 3-figure accounts. So just read some of these comments, right? Okay. $400, $500, $500, right? So you can see some of these comments that are coming through here, Bellin. These are people that started True Trading Group with less than $1,000 in their account. Okay. So like I said, you don't need tens of thousands of dollars in order for you guys to make money doing this. Again, guys, make sure you click the live button. Click the live button. Okay, go ahead and click the live button. Make sure you guys are live. Okay. Click that live button. Make sure that you are watching this live. Live button's right down there. It's right next to the play button. You got to make sure that you have a red dot next to the word live. Way to go, Huckleberry. 140% gain today on Palantir calls. That's insane. That is insane. Member Street, like I started with $1,000. I lost it on AMC. And I started over when I joined TTG, dumped my AMC bags. Since then, I've made enough to retire. Okay, I've made enough to retire. Now I have 2 other accounts for my grandchildren. That's absolutely wonderful. Memphis Street Doc, love to hear it. Yep, Bellin, it's my pleasure. Bellin says that's more helpful for me. Thank you. Yep, Bellin, no problem. You guys ask. I think it is. You guys ask. I always go through. You guys ask, and I always go through, asking members to answer these questions for me. It means more Ty D, $500 2 years ago, and I just bought a Jeep. I took it out on the mountains this weekend. There you go. I love that. Oh, I love that. Started with $500 2 years ago, and Ty just bought a Jeep. That's incredible. That's awesome. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Took it out in the mountains. TTG isn't just about me. It's about 3 generations here. I'm a lifetime member, and now my grandchildren will be. I love that, Memphis Street Doc. I'm so happy for you. And I'm so happy for the achievements that not just you, right? The achievements for you and your family, because that's really what this is about. I'm really happy. I'm really proud to have recently launched our junior program at True Trading Group.
Hey, Mike. Memphis Street Doc is a grandmother?
Yeah, I guess so.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
Memphis Street Doc is blushing right now.
There's no way.
She's blushing. You making her blush.
That just blew my mind.
The 6-year-old is growing up with you guys, and the 4-year-old knows who you are. Awesome. It's so awesome.
That is pretty awesome. Yeah. She had kids at 10. All right.
Good stuff.
Hang on, I got to figure out how to turn this off because it's new.
Yeah, no, the new layout here for us is weird. But yeah, guys, and we just launched our juniors program at True Trading Group, where lifetime members of True Trading Group are able to enroll their children. If your children are between the age of 8 and 17, you're able to enroll your child into our junior program, where it's totally free. Okay, it's totally free. There's no additional cost for it. If you're a lifetime member of True Trading Group and you have a child between the ages of 8 and 17, you can sign them up for the juniors program totally free. And they'll have access to all the educational material, the trainings. They have access to our simulator so they can practice trading with fake money. There are no stock alerts. They don't have access to stock alerts, and they don't have access to the chat room, okay, being that they are a minor. So they do not get stock alerts, and they do not get access to the chat room, all right? But they do get access to the workshops and the courses and the simulator, so that they could really just get them interested in finance and get them interested in the markets at an early age, so that they can start making better financial decisions earlier on in life, so that they put themselves and their family in a better financial situation when they become adults and when they age throughout their careers. And then that's how you truly build generational wealth. You build generational wealth by making sure that if you started investing at, let's say, 35 or 40, well, you make sure that your child starts investing at 25, and they make sure their child starts investing at 18 or 19. And that is how you build generational wealth for your family. And that is how you make sure that your children live a better life than you lived. Somebody once asked, what defines success? And one of the things that I heard, I didn't make this up, I heard this from somebody else, but it was, because how do you put a number on success? And you really can. I've heard 2 great sayings that define success. I love both of them. One person that I once heard say that success is when your children want to hang out with you when they are adults. That is success. And the other person the other quote that I heard about success is, what is success? Success is knowing that your children lived a better life than you lived. And that is success, right? That is you living a successful life. And I can't think of a better way for us to do that than to improve financial literacy and to build interest in the markets and in money at a very early age, so that by the time the child is 18, 19, 20 years old, they're not thinking about, what frat party are we going to go to? And let's go buy a keg, and let's go worry about this party and spend money on this and that. And we're going to go spend, we're going to make, $3,000 working a summer job, and we're going to spend that on spring break down in Cancun. Instead, they're going to work that summer job, and they're going to take that $3,000 and they're going to buy $1,000 of AMD. They're going to buy $1,000 of Palantir, and they're going to buy $1,000 of Uber. And then by the time they're in their 30s and they're ready to start their own family, they have enough of a nest egg to put a down payment down on their house. right? This is what generational wealth is really all about. And that is what True Trading Group is all about. We're not about mansions and yachts and private jets. Trust me, I love all those things too. I love nice things. But True Trading Group is real people making real money, improving their lives. And by improving their lives, I'm talking about not having to worry about the price of eggs or gasoline, being able to pay down your credit cards, being able to pay down your mortgage, not have to worry about, paying your bills or your finances for the next 6 months, being able to pay down your student loans, taking your family on that special vacation that you've always wanted to take them on, retiring 1, 2, or 3 years ahead of schedule, and buying yourself an extra few years to live your life the way that you want. These are the things that True Trading Group is focuses on. These are the things that we are all about here. And again, this is exactly what our members are accomplishing. In case you missed it earlier, I'll show you one more time. Members, again, for those that missed it, type the number 1 in chat right now if you are making money and you're becoming better traders because of TTG. Go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. D Money Trader says, I've been trading for a long time and I'm self-taught. I joined 3 weeks ago and I've had my best 3 weeks ever. I had the basics, but the study program and the presentations with True Trading Group really was next level. That's D Money Trader, who actually, just joined literally 3 weeks ago. And I don't think it's a coincidence that D Money Trader, who had some experience, obviously, like I said, been trading a while, was self-taught, so already had a foundation. But in 3 weeks as a member, just had their best 3 weeks that they've ever had. Maximus says, TTG has been the best investment I could have ever made. Words cannot express how much the mods help. Their charts and stock explanation is priceless. I'll meet you all in Vegas, September 22nd for the wedding. Yeah, we all invited ourselves to Maximus's wedding. He's getting married September 22nd in Vegas. The whole TTG family is coming. We're going to totally crash your wedding. And I'm just going to kick the door down and go, hey, yo!
I also just want to put it out there that Maximus, if you want to change your mind and go to Mexico or something, I do that for you. Before you get in too deep, brother, something that I learned the hard way.
Yeah, make sure you really know. Make sure you know. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. But it's all in good fun. It's all in good fun. It's all in good fun. But yeah, guys, he's honeymooning in the Dominican Republic. Awesome. Maximus, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Maximus had a big week and was able to make enough money to help pay for the wedding, and then had a great day today and made enough money to help pay for the honeymoon. You say words can't express, you say words can't express, how much that the mods help. Words can't express how much just hearing that, brings joy and happiness just to myself, and I'm sure to Adam and the whole rest of the TTG team and all the moderators. We'd love to hear about you guys' successes. It's something that really makes us feel great about all the hard work that we put in. So it's awesome. Awesome. Well, guys, listen. Yeah, let's crash the honeymoon too. let's just keep on. We're just going to crash Maximus's whole life. The birth of his child. We're all going to be there. We're just going to crash Maximus's life. All right, folks, listen up. Those of you that are here we go. Knowledge of the markets and education is the way to profitability. I knew nothing before joining here. It's a great platform. Now they have an AI assistant that helps as well. Yes, that's what it's all about, folks. A lot of our members didn't know anything before they joined, and now they're making money. Right here, how many of you knew nothing, close to or nothing when you guys joined, but now you're having success? Type the number 1. If you knew nothing or close to it when you first joined, but now you guys are doing well. Type the number 1 if that was you. I feel like some people misunderstand. They're like, oh, I don't know anything about this, therefore it's not for me. Well, everybody has to start somewhere. What do you think? All the people that joined True Trading Group over the last several years, they all just had some type of a financial background or stock market trading experience? No, many of them knew nothing or close to nothing. And now they're having success. Look at all these people. I'm not just saying these people are the ones answering the question. I'm just asking the question. I'm not answering it. These are your peers, your friends, your family members, your coworkers. And if they can do it, then why can't you? Why can't you? It's time for you to start believing in yourself. It's time for you to say to yourself that your dreams are not just dreams, but rather they are goals. Because dreams are just something that, oh yeah, it seems like it's not really attainable. It's just a dream. It's a silly dream. No, it's a goal. It's a goal that you have set forth for yourself and for your family. And I'm here to tell you, and these members are here to tell you, that it is attainable. It's within reach. Is it going to happen overnight? No, but nothing worth doing ever happens overnight. I'm not going to sit here and blow smoke up your ass and tell you I'll make you a millionaire in 30 days. I'm not going to tell you that. But I will tell you is that the opportunities of this market, specifically this market environment that we are in, I've been doing this 18 years. I've never seen a market environment with this much opportunity on a daily basis. What I am here to tell you is that the opportunity that this market provides, any goal that you set forth for yourself is possible. You want to make $5,000 a year? Possible. 10, cool. 25, whatever. 50, you could. 100, why not? 250, you can do it. $1 million, not easy. Possible, yeah. These things are possible. But let's learn to walk before we run. Let's focus on, before you start worrying about making $1 million, let's worry about just being profitable. How about that? Let's work on consistent profitability. The stock market is not a casino. If you treat it like a casino, you're going to get casino results. What's that? One day you make a lot of money at the casino. You think you figured out blackjack, you've got the whole casino, you got it all beat. And the next 8 times you go to the casino, you lose. You lost all the money that you made on the time you won, plus some, and you're back to red. That is the result you're going to get if you're going to treat the market like a casino. But if you want to treat the market like a business, then business, anyone here that's an entrepreneur knows, in order to run a successful business, you need to be consistently profitable. And we will show you how to do that at True Trading Group. Just like we showed the thousands of people that just typed the number 1. Or hundreds of people that just typed the number 1. But we have thousands of members that have achieved that. Anyone here that's not a member of True Trading Group, anybody that typed the letters TTG before when I asked if you're not a member, type TTG. Do yourself a favor now. Go to ttgoffer.com. Susie Laurie says, it's great for me just to make an extra $100 while I'm at work. Thank you, TTG. Bass Goose says, once TTG helped me realize trading is a business, I've been able to make back everything that I lost in the past, and I now make more than my job. How about that? How about turning a side gig into your main income stream? Congratulations on that one, Bass Goose. Now makes more money than he does at his job. Although my dad is not a member, I've learned so much from Mike's live streams. Even when I'm 17 years old, I'm starting young, and I've learned so much in just 1 year. Nicola Bark, I am so incredibly proud of you at 17 years old to be on this live stream, to be interested in the markets. You, my friend, are going places. I look forward, okay? I look forward. You know what, Nicola? Nicola, you know what I'm going to do for you, brother? Send us a text message right now. I'm going to give you a free account in our juniors program. Nicola, hit us up right now because we have a junior program from ages 8 to 17. Now, it's usually reserved only for the children of lifetime members. But even though your father is not a member, Nicola, I'm going to give you a free juniors account. Nicola, that's how impressed I am that you're here as a 17-year-old. Send a text message right now to 786-505-4049. Nicola, again, that phone number is 786-505-4049. Okay? You text that. Oh, here's Anthony. Anthony's only 16 years old. Guys, you send us a text message right now, 786-505-4049. Text us that number. We're going to give you a free juniors account, and you guys can get access to some of the educational material. Oh, Anthony's like, I'm a member. So you're not 16. All right. So there you guys have it. So Nicola, go ahead. You have to get your parents' permission, though. Nicola, you're not 18 yet, so you do have to get your parents' permission. But if you get your parents' permission, we will give you a free account. Okay? Now, back to what I was saying before. Anybody else? If you guys are not members of True Trading Group, do yourself a favor. Okay? Go to ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page is included with your membership when you join. Now, you'll see the price of our membership is normally $2,212 for the year. However, for the next 10 people, we're offering a 53% discount. It brings the price down to just $1,027 for the entire year. That comes with a brand new free laptop. There are 10 of them available here this evening. How do you know you're getting one of the laptops? It's simple. See that laptop icon in your checkout cart? That means you're getting a laptop. Okay. If you don't see that laptop icon, that means we've already sold out of the 10. If you do see it, you're good. The laptop is free. It's a 15.5-inch Asus laptop. Comes with an AMD Ryzen GPU, Windows 11, Microsoft 365. Okay, there it is. There's the laptop that you guys are going to be getting access to. Okay, that's the exact laptop that you're going to get totally for free. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 different countries. Trust me, we'll get you guys the free laptop. There's 10 of them available. Okay, so you can use it for work, use it to trade, give it to your kid for school, sell it on eBay, do whatever you guys want. Wow, Taking Profit says, I knew how to trade already, but TTG has taught me how to profit. Yes. Woo! I love it. It wasn't until I was 37 that anyone talked to me about investing and learning about the markets. TTG offers you a whole community to help you prepare for your future. Wish TTG was around in my early days. Better late than never. Oh, hell yeah, Nicola. Nicola goes, I used Mike's TTG triangle that he showed me on many of his live streams on a ticker symbol, and I made 86% on that single trade through paper trading. Nicola, congratulations. Yes. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, listen, when you go to ttgoffer.com, if you want that 53% discount, there is no coupon code needed. All right, the price just reflects to $1,027. Everything on that page is included. The entire 22-course curriculum, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of the training I received working at the fund. You get all the real-time trade alerts, right? You get all the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and I, day trade, swing trade, stocks, options, crypto. You get all the alerts, right? You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed included, TradingView's premium charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner, all right? 2 small private study groups, our AI trading assistant, 1,000 hours of workshops and covering different topics in our video library, unusual options activity, dark pool data, options flow, short data, analyst ratings, congressional trading data. Guys, all of this is included. Every item you see on ttgoffer.com, every item is included when you join. There is no additional cost for any of these things. But if you went to pay for them on your own, they would cost you easily over $5,000 a year. You can get access to all of it for just $1,027 here when you join True Trading Group this evening, and that comes with a brand new free laptop. Now, we do also accept Klarna, okay? PayPal credit, Afterpay. You guys can use these options if you want to, okay? So there you go. Afterpay, Klarna, PayPal credit. They're all options for you at checkout if you would like to use one of those different financing options. Okay, so we do accept Afterpay, Klarna, and PayPal credit. Otherwise, you guys can just enter your credit card, pay the $1,027 for the whole year. That'll get you the brand new free laptop. And don't forget, I give you a double your money back guarantee. This is how it works. You join TTG, you pay $1,027. If you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group, and are still unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $1,027 membership fee, I will not just give you back the $1,027. I'm going to give you back $2,054. I'm going to give you back double what you paid. I only have $1,000 Canadian. How can I join? So Jabberjit, I would say either use Klarna or the Afterpay option or PayPal credit, or just save up for it, right? Just save up for it. So either just save up for it, or you can join now through Klarna or PayPal credit. Okay, like I said, we do accept PayPal credit. We do accept Klarna, Afterpay, if you guys need to. Okay. So again, that double your money back guarantee, guys, it's there for peace of mind. I really don't think you need it, considering our refund rate is less than 2.5% and our retention rate, okay, our retention rate is 78%. So I really don't think that you guys need the double your money back guarantee, but it's there for peace of mind. Also, when you guys join, you pay the $1027, you're grandfathering yourself in at that price. So it doesn't matter. Next year, our membership could be $2,500. It doesn't matter. You'll only pay the $1,027 to renew if you choose. That's a big deal, considering 78% of our members do. All right. And yes, Jabberjet, that will work for you in Canada. All right. Guys, if you have any questions about the membership, or you're having a hard time signing up, or maybe you used to be a trial member or you used to be an annual member and you guys want to come back home, send a text message to the phone number at the bottom of your screen, 786-505-4049. Again, that is 786-505-4049. That's 786-505-4049. Okay, so Nicola, when you turn 18 in October, then you would need to become a paid member of True Trading Group. And at that time, we would offer you a significant discount coming from a graduate off the juniors program. We would give you a discount for you to become a full-time. Once you turn 18, you can no longer participate in the free juniors program. Once you become 18, you then have to pay for an annual membership. But if you want the annual membership at that time, Nicola, we will be giving you a discounted rate for it. Jabberjit, will I get alert when to buy stock or sell? So Jabberjit, you will get alerts in real time when the moderators get in and out of their positions. Now, you can do whatever you want with that information, okay? I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. We tell you what we do with ours. So you have 9 professional full-time traders that are buying, selling stocks, options, futures. We notify you in real time the moment that we get into positions and the moment that we get out of positions. You watch us trade live daily. You see us do it. And if you can't be in front of your computer, don't worry about it, because we have a mobile app. That mobile app, you download it, you'll get real-time push notifications when a moderator enters or exits their position. So that's how you can make sure you follow along with everything that we're doing. We literally share our screens with you during the day. So you can actually look at all the different moderator screens and you see what we're seeing. Okay. And again, collectively, the moderators and I as a group have maintained a cumulative win rate of around 80% on all of our executions for roughly the last 4 to 5 years. Maybe Adam, if you could, I mean, I don't know if it's too much. I mean, Adam, if you want to pull up the trader history, you can, where people can see the, oh, look at that right there. Boom. So here's the trader history on our site. So it lists out all the moderators and it shows you all of their trades. You can click on each individual person, and then it'll load up for you every transaction that they, 1 second, it's loading. It lists for you every transaction that they make. Okay. So it's every buy, it's every sell, and you'll see what the percentage gain is or what the percentage loss is. It's all right there for you guys. All the wins, all the losses, all the break evens, everything is there for you guys all to see. All right. So that's how you guys can make sure that you follow along. You know, we have no problem. Obviously, you're fully transparent here and full trustworthiness at TTG. Okay. So again, folks, go to ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page is included for the $1,027. You got the free laptop with your membership and the W money back guarantee. Any questions, text us 786-505-4049. All right. This is going to be the start of our Father's Day sale. All right. This will be the start of our Father's Day sale, and the price will then continue to go up from here. All right. So this is the start of our Father's Day sale this weekend. $1,027. That price will then continue to go up over throughout this week and into the weekend. All right, so this is the start of our Father's Day sale. Again, everything on that page is included, guys. There's no additional cost or upsell for any of those items. The only caveat here, guys, that the laptop is not guaranteed through the weekend. We only have 10 of them, right? So we only have 10 of those laptops. So the laptops are not guaranteed through the weekend. Sorry about that, but if you guys want the free laptop, you got to be one of the next 10 people to join. And again, if you see the laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know that you're getting one. Nicola, I love it. I love the attitude, Nicola. I love the attitude. Love the attitude. All right, folks. Okay, let's take things back on over to the charts. Take a quick sip of water. I'm a little parched. All right. All right. So back on over to, and guys, yeah, and reminder, we cover the shipping for that laptop. Don't forget. All right. As long as you live on planet Earth, we'll get it to you. We cover the shipping for that. All right. So let's take things on over now to the overall markets. I mean, Broadcom is obviously continuing higher. Okay. 1680 now. Stock is up 15%. My goodness. What a move for this name. It really, truly is incredible at the growth that these semiconductor companies have experienced over the last couple of years. You know, you're talking these stocks are up multiple hundreds of percent in just the last, couple of years. It's incredible. It really is. It's absolutely incredible. And I'm just happy that we own them. Like I said, TTG is not just day trading and swing trading. We also cover long-term investing. And I told everybody, back in 2022, I'm buying Broadcom, I'm buying AMD, I'm buying NVIDIA, notified the day that I bought them, the price that I bought them. So, let's just enjoy it. Let's just enjoy it, all my TTG fam. All right, let's go on over to the overall markets and let's talk about, what we expect from here, because with the CPI number today, the markets have kind of gapped up these all-time highs, and it kind of feels like we're just kind of out here like on an island by ourselves. And I don't necessarily like the little island that we're on right now by ourselves with this gap up from this consolidation. I really want this gap to be filled, but tomorrow you have PPI data coming out. We got to welcome Jorge. Jorge just joined, guys. Everybody welcome Jorge. That means we're down to 9 spots. Okay, so listen. There's only 9 of these laptops remaining. So they are first come, first serve. So everybody welcome Jorge. Again, if you see a laptop in the checkout cart when you're on ttgoffer.com checking out, then that means you're getting one. If you don't, that means we've sold out. Any questions? 786-505-4049. Text that number. Don't call it. Text it. All right. This price is good until Sunday for the Father's Day sale, but the laptop is not guaranteed. Okay, the laptop, there's only 9 of them. So the 1027 is good until the weekend, but the laptop is only the next 9 people because Jorge just grabbed one. All right. Okay. Now, tomorrow you have PPI data and jobless claims. Okay. I really would rather the market pulls in tomorrow and fills this gap. I really, really, really would. I think it's an easier trade to go long after pullbacks into these levels than it is for us to get a gap up tomorrow. I think going long up here tomorrow, I think is a tougher trade. I am very neutral coming into tomorrow. Now, sometimes I come on these live streams and I tell you, hey, I think the market's going to go up. I think the market's going to go down. I have conviction this way. I have conviction that way. I'm very open with you about my thoughts on the market. We have to welcome George. George just joined. Everybody welcome George, guys. Now we're down to 8. All right. We're down to just 8 of these laptops now. Again, it's ttgoffer.com. All right. No coupon code needed. 53% discount for our Father's Day sale. See a laptop, you're getting one. There's 8 left. The double your money back guarantee right there on the checkout page. I don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. So the double your money back guarantee is right there in black and white. Just go read it. You have any questions, just send us a text message. 786-505-4049. All right. George, welcome to the family. So back to the overall markets. I got to be honest with you guys. I don't have conviction for upside tomorrow, and I don't have conviction for downside tomorrow. I'm coming into tomorrow very, very, very neutral. Okay. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make as a trader is to pretend like you have conviction when you don't. And it's okay if you just say, I'm not sure what this stock is going to do. Wait. Trading is not about predicting the future. Trading is about waiting for high probability setups, putting yourself on the right side of that probability over and over and over again while practicing sound, strong, consistent risk management. That is what trading is about. And I will wait and I'll be patient enough until I see something that I believe has a high level of probability of working itself out. And right now, based on the market's reaction today, big gap up on CPI, sideways action on the Fed meeting. I don't have high conviction with this big open gap. It feels like we're out here on an island. I don't have conviction to follow through tomorrow to the upside. I don't have conviction of a sizable pullback. I think it's entirely possible we can kind of just chop around tomorrow in the low 540s, and I don't want to get myself caught in a little bit of some choppy action. I'd rather wait for a clear directional momentum move that I can sink my teeth into and really capitalize on. All right, so not quite sure about the markets tomorrow. I'm going to wait and see what the data is at 8:30. We have more really important economic data, PPI inflation data tomorrow morning, and jobless claims. So at 8:30, we're going to move the markets again. Okay, the markets are going to move again at 8:30. So at 8:30 this morning, the markets went nuts when the CPI number came out. Now you got PPI and jobless claims. The market should move again. After that data comes out, then I will tell you what I think the markets are going to do. We will be live with our members inside chat, pre-market, as we always are, all the moderators, going over our game plan, answering questions, sharing our watch list, saying these are the stocks that we're looking at. These are the prices we're going to get in. Our members know exactly what the moderator is going to do before the day even begins, because we tell them and share with them, this is our watch list. This is the price we're going to be getting in on these stocks. So you know where to focus your attention before the day even begins. So tomorrow morning at 8:30, that data comes out. The mods and I will be all over it. We'll give you the analysis. I'll tell you exactly what I'm looking for, and I'll give you the trade ideas that we have. If you can't be in front of your computer, don't worry. Use the mobile app. Okay, use the mobile app. This way you can listen into what's going on, even if you're not in front of your computer. Bellin373, I'm happy to hear that. Bellin says, Mike, I was just signing up for the annual over the phone with a salesperson, but we got cut off. So, Joe, if you might want to try to reach back out to Bellin373, I guess we were just cut off. Phone conversation was cut off. Or Bellin, if you don't, if nobody gets back to you, send a text message to 786-505-4049. Okay, so again, Bellin, 786-505-4049. You can send a text message to that phone number. All right. You can send a text message to that phone number. Or we'll see if we can. Good. Okay, Bellin, here you go. Bellin, you can text or call. Actually, here's the salesperson you were talking to. Bellin, I'm going to direct you to our head of sales. Bellin373. I'm going to direct you to our head of sales. Okay? Bellin, you can call. Ready? Bellin, write it down or we'll post it up in chat. 305-302-8311. 305-302-8311. Again, Bellin, I'm going to direct you to our head of sales. 305-302-8311. All right? And we'll get you hooked up and taken care of. All right. Excellent. Okay. So those are my thoughts with regards to the overall market. If and when you do get the pullback, I'd watch for 537 to be support now. This leaves an open gap from CPI. I would expect that to be support if we do get a pullback over the course of the next couple of days. All right. Okay. Let's talk about GameStop. It would appear, I don't know if this is true, this is speculation at this point, but it would appear that Keith Gill may have been selling his call options today. Okay, again, this is speculation, because if you were looking at the June 21st $20 strike call option today, there was 95,000 contracts traded in volume. And over the course of the final hour of the day, the amount of contracts traded jumped by like 50,000 contracts. There was more volume on the 21st expiration than there was on the 14th expiration, and that is extremely odd. It's extremely odd to have more volume on a further week out expiration than the current week expiration. Okay. So since that is odd to see, I mean, obviously this is just speculation. I have no idea if that is the case, but we at True Trading Group did notice today a massive surge in volume on the June 21st $20 strike call options. So it would appear that he maybe has sold not all, but possibly a chunk of that position. I have not seen any 50 or 60,000 contract purchases on further expiration calls. So we'll have to see if he's completely exiting the trade or if there was a decision to roll the contracts, which I don't think he would do that at this stage, Ed, because he has plenty of time still on that expiration. So he has plenty of time on the 21st expiration still. So there's no need to roll them this early, the 12th. You usually would roll them closer to expiration. So you would see him usually roll those maybe Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of next week, not this week. But you never know. I don't know what he was doing. Okay. I don't know what he's doing or if it was him at all. I'm just giving you some speculation on something interesting that we noticed today. And we'll have to wait and see if there's an update on his position and if, in fact, he did sell. Right? But GameStop got really, really hit today, down 16%. The stock is really kind of running out of steam. Today was the day for it to really get going. He had a nice recovery day yesterday. Today was the day for it to really prove itself, and it got punched right in the face. So, I'm not really looking at a trade here yet on GameStop. I don't have a long position on it. I don't have a short position on it. For me, there's a bunch of other things that are better to trade right now. I'll keep eyes on it. But for me right now, from an active trading standpoint, better things to trade. Okay. Yeah, you're right, Nicola. Bullish engulfing candle yesterday, but then no follow through to that today, right? So yesterday's candle is bullish, reversal off of support and bullish engulfing. Two beautifully bullish signals. Then today's price action makes you sit back a little bit and say, maybe not. We'll see. All right. So we'll see. All right. So I don't know. I think we could see, we could find out that maybe he sold some of the position, but we'll see. And this is being reported from CNBC. So CNBC just reported a couple minutes ago, a sell-off in, where are we? Here, guys, I'll just show you. So here it is. This was 17 minutes ago. GameStop tanks with huge volume in the call options owned by Roaring Kitty. All right, there it is. GameStop calls with the same strike price and expiration traded a whopping 93,266 contracts on Wednesday. So this is getting speculation, or this is causing some speculation that Keith Gill was selling his position because he disclosed when he showed everybody his position, it was the June 21st $20 strike call, and he had 120,000 contracts that he bought over the course of a couple of weeks. So to see 93,000 contracts trade today is a completely abnormally high number of contracts for it to trade. And like I said, it traded, 100 times more than I think the June 14th expiration $20 strike only traded like 2,500 contracts. So for the 21st expirations to trade 93,000 contracts, that's why everybody is speculating that he was selling his position today. Obviously, it would not mean he sold all of it because he had 120,000 contracts. It only traded 93,000, and obviously he was not all of the volume. So, but you can see why the speculation there for us about maybe he sold the position. And if that's the case, the GameStop probably starts to fade and starts to drift away down into the teens. Our AI also picked up on it. So Adam, if you want to show them our AI actually is the one that picked up the unusual options activity for us today. So you guys can see there's our AI breaking down the analysis for you guys with the unusual options activity today, kind of notifying us that you could have the possibility of him selling his position. So there's our AI tool. There you guys have it. You heard there were not shares available to short. They definitely are. They definitely are available to short. They're definitely available to short. All right, so you guys have it. There's the AI tool. All right. This thing has been really instrumental in helping us make money these last couple of days, guys. I mean, between, going through and analyzing for us all the CPI data and analyzing for us the Fed meeting. And it also was able to, help us kind of go through some of the other jobs data that we got the other week with the U.S. labor report. I mean, having this AI tool to be able to analyze things for us in real time and give us probabilities of movement and analyze signals from different indicators makes it very easy for people that are busy with full-time jobs or don't understand anything or don't understand much to really get the help that they need. And I feel like it could be the missing link for a lot of people. So I'm just really happy to have this listen, when I say to you that our AI tool is the best in the industry, I'm not saying that as the owner of True Trading Group. Obviously, I would be biased to that, right? And Adam will tell you the same thing, but I'm saying it to you now as a trader. Like we have researched tons of other AI trading tools and AI trading assistants that are available in the market today. And none of them have the real-time capabilities, analysis, and accuracy of our tool. Being able to analyze technical indicators, technical data with fundamental data, overall market sentiment, economic data, and economic catalysts, while also being able to factor in for you a psychological aspect. We have a psychological persona to help you guys with trader psychology and trader identity, where you can actually talk to like a Wendy Rhodes in the show Billions, like a trader psychologist, and that can help you guys through your mental issues and get to know you and your strengths and your weaknesses. Our AI tool has the capability to also, set orders and trade for you. I mean, these are capabilities that I haven't seen from any other trading tool, and is the reason why I believe, that we're going to we were a finalist at the FinTech Awards last year. I think we're coming for first prize this year because I haven't seen a single AI tool that is on the market today that has these capabilities. So I'm just happy for it. I'm excited for it. And I'm just, glad that so many of our members are using it and so many of our members are being able to make money from it and help them make better trading decisions. As you guys can see here, Adam is going through and just kind of showing you guys on the screen right now some of the capabilities of the AI tool. So go to ttgoffer.com, folks. Go to ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page is included with your membership for 53% off. All right? 53% off. The W1 back guarantee is there. I don't think you need it, but at least it gives you guys peace of mind. All right? And if anybody has any questions, don't hesitate to send a message to 786-505-4049. Here, watch this, guys. You can see. Watch what Adam's about to do for you guys. Show me my open positions is the prompt for those of you that can't see it because it's too small. I want to buy GME. Yeah, you guys can read what Adam is going through right now on the platform, just showing you the trading capabilities of how you could tell the AI to do something and it'll just go ahead and do it for you without you having to monitor it. You can set your trades up the night before. You can tell it to, hey, go ahead and buy. You could literally say, hey, I want to buy GME, place a market order for me. If you forget something, it'll remind you. If you forget something in the order, well, how much? What's the quantity, right? It asks you, well, what's the quantity? You said, hey, buy me GameStop at a market order. Well, what's the quantity? It's going to ask you. It's going to remind you what's the quantity. And then you respond with the quantity. It'll just go ahead and it'll do it and place the order, place the trade for you. You could say, hey, buy me 100 shares of Tesla at this price, set a stop loss at this price. If it gets here, sell 25% of my position. Send me a text message. If it reaches this price, notify me. And it'll go ahead and it'll do, and you can just go about your business, go about your day, go to work, do whatever it is, not pay attention, and let the AI place those trades for you based on the parameters that you set it. So you guys are seeing right now, Adam's going through this. Once I'm up 15% on my position, sell it for me. Watch this for me for the next 30 days. All right. Now it's saying, hey, send an alert. Give me a phone number to send an alert to. Also set a stop loss so I don't lose more than 5%. So Adam's just going through right now and just telling the AI, this is what I want you to do. Please provide the current. No, I can't read. Please provide the current price of GME, your phone number, and your preference for including news in the alerts. If you don't have the current price, I can retrieve it for you. All right, so now it's giving you a stock chart. So you guys can see a stock chart right there. And that stock chart that you guys will get inside of the AI tool is a fully interactive stock chart. You can draw on it, put different indicators on it. It's real-time data, tick for tick. It's not delayed data. Are we done? What just happened? We just lost the screen. All right, then. So you guys have it. So there is the AI tool. That is Mari. That is what you guys, that is what we've been working. It took about 2 years to develop that. It took us about 2 years to develop that. Tons of money. And the capabilities on it are better than anything that I've seen out of any of the other platforms that are out there, any other trading assistant tools that exist. And you ask any one of our members, they'll tell you the same exact thing. Okay. So all of the data that comes through it is in real time. And that's one of the biggest advantages, is that all of it is real time data. There's no delayed data. It's real time analysis as it stands right now in the moment. Right. So revolutionary as we continue just to build out the TGD platform. Now, don't forget, guys, you get access to all those tools and resources and stuff that are on the tgdoffer.com page when you join. So everything you see on that page, it's included when you join the membership. All you have to do is go to tgdoffer.com. There's no coupon code needed. This is the start of our Father's Day sale. There's 53% discount. That price is good until the weekend, but there's only 8 laptops available for the next 8 people that do join. In order to get a laptop, all you need to do is make sure you see a laptop icon in your checkout cart. That's how you know that you'll be getting one. When we sell out of them, it'll no longer be visible in the checkout cart. The W money back guarantee is there for peace of mind. Remember, I don't think that you guys need it, considering our refund rate is only less than 2.5%, and our retention rate is 78%. We do accept Klarna, Afterpay, PayPal credit if you guys want to use those financing options. And there's a W money back guarantee in black and white. Just go read it. Any questions, text us. Okay, 786-505-4049 with any questions that you guys have, or if you're having a hard time signing up, just text that number. We'll help you guys out any way that we can. All right. So that's it, folks. Great stuff. Good job today. More economic data coming out tomorrow at 8:30. Make sure you get your butts inside chat. We're going to be live with our members when that data comes out at 8:30. Okay. We'll be live. Do you get the same amount of buying power as shorting power? No, Nicola, because there's different margin requirements to go short. So there's different margin requirements based on your position. So you won't have as much buying power to go short as you will to go long, because there's a different margin requirement to actually go short. So technically your buying power would be lower. Okay. So there you guys go. Can I refer people for free membership? No. You cannot refer people for a free membership, but if you want to refer people, send us a text message at EdgeX Finance, send us a text message and we can help you. All right. We'll work something out with you. EdgeX Finance, send a text message. We'll help you guys out. Okay. So, or we'll work something out with you. Send a text to 786-505-4049. Again, that is 786-505-4049. We do not currently sell lifetime memberships. However, we are launching a new lifetime product that we're really excited about. So Saif Emran, send a text message and we'll talk to you about the new lifetime product that we are launching. So 786-505-4049. Saif Emran, text us. We'll tell you about the new lifetime product. We'll answer all your questions about lifetime. And EdgeX Finance, about referring people for a free membership, send us a text message, 786-505-4049. We'll hook you up. And anybody else that has any questions, text us, 786-505-4049. All right. And we got to welcome Thomas. Thomas just joined. That means we're down to 7 of these laptops. That's it. Nicola, maybe tomorrow, bro. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I know it's a good segment. Everybody likes that segment. Maybe tomorrow we'll do some grade my stock tomorrow. Guys, welcome Thomas, newest member to the group. Now there's only 7 laptops. So remember, if you're watching this after it's already aired, when you go to tgdoffer.com, as long as you see the laptop, you're good to go. If you don't, I'm sorry, that means we sold out. But you can still get the 53% discount. That's good until over the weekend. That's the Father's Day sale. So enjoy. Guys, get your butts in chat tomorrow. Big data points coming out at 8:30. Going to move the markets. We'll go over the trading game plan with you at that time. All right? That's it, folks. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so, smash that like button and show some love. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Everyone that's part of the AI workshop, it's going down in main chat. 6 p.m., Adam? Is it 6 o'clock, Adam? 6 p.m. start? Or is it now? 6 p.m. It is 6 p.m. Okay, guys, listen up. AI workshop. If you guys want some trainings on the AI, all people are invited. AI lifetimers, non-AI lifetimers, you're all invited to main chat at 6 p.m. Eastern. So in 33 minutes, Adam, my business partner, co-founder of True Trading Group, mastermind behind the AI tool, is going to be doing a training on the AI, how to use it for your trading and your investing and everything else, how to make this thing work for you. If you guys are interested, AI members, non-AI members, go inside the main chat, 6 p.m. Eastern, for some live trainings with Adam. You guys couldn't ask for a better person to teach you this stuff. I didn't know anything about AI. I learned it all from Adam. So go in there, 6 p.m., get ready to take some notes and get ready to learn something. All right. I think it's going to be very beneficial for your trading. Go do it. All right. Has Adam been going to the gym a lot? Yes, he has actually. Adam has been, guy's looking good, man. Guy's looking good. What can I say? Guy's looking good.
Thank you.
Look at him. Look at who are you? Look at this guy.
Hang on, I'll show you before picture.
Wait, BX Packy says, thanks for having me, guys. My trial's over, but I got into a bad accident. I couldn't use my trial, but thanks for having me. You guys are great. Listen, BX Packy, if you got into a bad accident and you couldn't take advantage of your trial, send us a text message right now, BX Packy. Send us a text message right now. I hope you're doing okay after the accident, but BX Packy, you send us a message right now, 786-505-4049. Okay, again, BX Packy, 786-505-4049. I hope you're doing better. Hope you're feeling better. But send us a text message right now.
It's crazy.
It is. You are an entirely different person.
Yeah, it's nuts.
Entirely different person. And it also, I mean, it also doesn't help like that you in that picture you hadn't gotten a haircut in like 2 months.
I mean, dude, even if you go to this one, I mean.
Yeah, but like at least you look better there than you do in the other one.
I guess. I mean, look at my face, dude.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. For comparison.
look at that jaw. Look at that jawline. Look at this guy. Good for you. Fresh haircut. I love it.
Thanks, man.
You get fresh haircuts now more than I do. I used to be the fresh haircut guy.
I'm going to be, potentially most likely going through a divorce, man. I gotta step my game up here.
I tell you, listen, man, you're doing a great job.
Single and 40 is scary.
Nah.
Gotta get, what do you mean, nah? Gotta get haircuts, gotta get,
40's the new 30, man. 40's the new 30. You're in Miami. What are you worried about?
A lot.
Don't be.
So the main chat is open. We're going to start at 6. I'm going to go ahead. So it's like 30 minutes from now. I'm going to go ahead and do a full training for our AI tool. We do that every Wednesday from 6 to 8.
Awesome. Enjoy it, guys. Head into the main chat. Learn about AI and how you can use it and how it can better your trading. All right? Enjoy. Guys, thanks for tuning in tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. Turn on notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on this stuff. We'll do it again tomorrow. All right? Have a great night, guys. Take care.